E4, question number 11. It looks something like this. Exercise 4-4. Where do we find underapplied and overapplied? So, because you know I love Excel, here we go again. So it says, the first part says 84,000 in raw materials were requisitioned for use. That means they were brought into use. They went to the storeroom and grabbed them. Of those, 72,000 was for direct materials. So let's take the 84,000, and it said that 72,000 was for direct materials, which means the balance was basically indirect materials or manufacturing overhead. Then it says total labor wages were 108, and of that 105 was direct, so that means the remainder is manufacturing overhead. Okay, additional actual manufacturing overheads were incurred of 197, blank. Okay, and then it says 218,000 was the underapplied or overapplied for the month. And in this case, this question is actually much easier. Do I need any of this? Well, the only part I really need is the manufacturing overhead portion. It didn't ask me for any of the product costs here, so all I'm going to say is, well, I had 218,000. Okay, so I'm going to mark this here. This was actual, and this was applied. Okay, so they already told me how much was applied. So then all I need to do is add up all of my manufacturing overhead. So let's go ahead and do that. And that is how much, I should put this down here, that is how much actual manufacturing overhead I incurred. Then they told me that 218 was applied, so we'll write applied, applied over here. So then, just by looking at it, you can see, well, if I actually had 212, I applied 218. What's going on here? Well, it looks like I'm $6,000. Am I under or over? In this case, I over applied. Why? Because my actuals only came in at 212, but I applied 218. And that is the end of that problem.